I want to ask you about Man U transfer business. We see Sabitzer when he come for this January transfer window. We also see Weghorst, the striker, when he come on loan from Burnley. To you, you're satisfied with the business when Man U do for this transfer window?
Yes, to me, that Weghorst, the guy just since when they put am for match as striker, only wetin I dey see when they do there na defensive ball. If he try go, he good in defense, but that finisher like to strike the ball, you know they fit strike am. If you watch anytime when he don dey, once dem change am, come carry Rashford put for that place, go see the next thing Rashford don score. That mean say for him, you know what that transfer wey dem carry am come, but I thank God say na loan, no be say dem buy am. You know what, abeg we need another person to replace am there. Then for that sanitizer, because na how they call the guy, na how they call am sanitizer.
Corona no dey again, na why they call am sanitizer?
Na the name
The name na
wey they call am.
Sabitzer.